Hello and welcome to Mr. Adelman's fantastic geometry class. Today we have two examples to go over. We're going to be proving angle relationships. First angle relationship that we're going to talk about is angle addition. So you might see a problem like this. If the measure of angle ABD, so let's take a look at this. This is this angle right in here, ABD, equals 40, and the measure of angle ABC, that large angle there, equals 100, then they want us to find the measure of this angle in here, DBC. So in order to do that, we have to remember some of our properties that we've just learned, mainly the angle addition postulate. What the angle addition postulate says is that the measure of angle ABD plus the measure of angle DBC will equal the measure of angle ABC. So let's just take a look at this for one quick second. So ABD is this angle that's in green, and if we add that to the angle that's in red, DBC, then that's going to, we're going to sum those up, it's going to equal the purple angle. Alright, so let's plug in some information that we already know. Alright, well, we know that ABD equals 40. So we're going to rewrite this, BBC, so 40 plus the measure of angle DBC will equal, well, we know what the measure of angle ABC is, so we're going to plug that in. I should state that this was the angle addition postulate, and this is simply the substitution property. And then the next thing we do is we want to isolate this angle, so I'm going to subtract 40 from both sides. And this is the subtraction postulate. Sorry, subtraction property. So I'm left with the measure of angle DBC, which equals 60, and that is again substitution. And so we have found the measure of DBC. Alright, now the second angle relationship we're going to prove is when we are dealing with supplementary angles. Alright, this one says that if angle 3 and angle 4 form a linear pair, and the measure of angle 4 is 70, and they're going to ask us to find the measure of angle 3. So first thing we know is that a linear pair, of course, are supplementary angles. So I'm going to write down the measure of angle 3 plus the measure of angle 4 equals, they're supplementary, so that is 180 degrees. So this is the supplementary. You have to make sure I'm spelling that right. Actually, just the supplement, it's not supplementary, it's the supplement theorem, which should be in your notes. And so the second step is we are going to substitute. We know that the measure of angle 40 is 70, So we have the measure of angle 3 plus 70 should equal 180, and this is the substitution property. Now I'm going to isolate the measure of angle 3, so of course I have to subtract. And of course we know that that is the subtraction property. So I'm left with the measure of angle 3 equals 110, and this is all due to the, again, the substitution property, because we're simplifying. And so they asked us to find the measure of angle 3, and it was certainly easy enough. The measure of angle 3 equals 110. Well, that's all we have for today. I hope you've enjoyed yourself as much as I have. So this is Mr. Adelman signing off. Take care of yourself and each other. Good night.